Okay, good morning, students. Today we will discuss the revision test. So in this revision test, your performance is average, but few students, roll number 5, Ashna, full marks. Then roll number 22, Jasleen, full marks. Then roll number 34 and 35, Prachi and Pushti, 14.5. Harmanpreet, 14 marks. Then Titiksha, 14.5. So these are the good performance here. Now look at here. In question paper, first question is name any two component of CPU. Beta, there are three component of CPU. One is ALU, CU, and MU. So memory unit. Then there is memory unit. Then control unit, and ALU stand for arithmetic logic unit. Second question is name any two spreadsheet software. So beta, there are different spreadsheet software. Microsoft Excel, this is the popular one. Another one is OpenOffice.org Calci. I think OpenOffice.org, this is not a correct answer. OpenOffice.org Calci. This is the product of it is open source software. So different companies are dealing with this. And G-numeric is there. So many softwares are there.
Sir, Google Sheets is also correct.
Google Sheet is also correct, beta. ठीक है. Google अगर आप doc लिख देते हो, even then it is correct, because in Google Doc there are Google Sheets are there, words document is there, there is a presentation is there. So this Google Sheet is a correct answer. Even in your book there are different names given for spreadsheet softwares. This is page number page number 53. Lotus 1, 2, 3, Excel, OpenOffice.org, Calci, then G-numeric, Google Docs, or in a more specific, you can say Google Sheet. Next is, find out the odd one. So if you see this very carefully, scanner, touch screen, and mouse, these are input devices. Here, printer is a output devices. So odd one is printer. Second one is printer, monitor, speaker. All of these are output devices, but microphone is a input device. So this answer is printer. In A, answer is printer. In B, answer is microphone. Next question is, give any two example of non-impact printer. So in non-impact printer, there is no any physical touch of your printer head on ribbon and on ribbon on paper. So these are without any touch. So these are called non-impact. Touch means impact. So non-impact printers, we include a laser printer, and we also include a inkjet printer. But in the case of your impact printer, we include dot matrix, and second one is daisy wheel, chain printer is there. See, take a different type of printers are there. Next is arrange your storage device in ascending order in term of their storage. But a maximum students given a wrong answer in this question. Beta, when we are saying ascending order, it means smallest one having the smallest device having the least storing power will be placed first, then second one, then or at the end there will be the memory storage devices where memory is largest. So floppy, then CD, then DVD, then hard disk. But if the question is of descending order, in that case, hard disk, DVD, CD, floppy disk. Next is name the suitable device for the following. Kanika wants to listen songs. Which device should she use? There are speakers are there, but we can also use headphones. So these are the two correct answers. Next is fast processing of checks. MICR, magnetic ink character reader. These are used in banks for fast processing of your checks. Next is checking aptitude test or examination pattern. Beta, for a fast checking of your OMR, there is a OMR, optical mark reader. This is OMR. A clerk want to print 500 prints quickly. Which device should he use? He should use a non-impact printer like laser printer. In this laser printer, printing is very fast as compared with other, even with the inkjet and the dot matrix printing. Laser printing gives us very fast printing. Next is you will have to name one specific software tool for each of the following. Some students say antivirus software. This is a system software. Encryption tool, scripting system software. They are differentiating between the system software and application software. This is a wrong answer. We are saying antivirus software, so Norton. So give one example, means one specific software. So this is Norton or AVG. So there are different antivirus softwares are there. Encryption tool. So there is a WinZip is there, then WinRAR is there. ठीक है, तो आपके पास different encryption tools, for example LastPass, BitLocker, VeraCrypt, Semantic Endpoint Encryption. These are the different encryption tools. Now next is operating system. So operating system may be of your mobile phones or maybe of your computer system. So examples are Android, iOS, Mac, Windows 7, Windows 10, DOS, Unix. These are different operating system. So entertainment apps. So YouTube app in your mobile phone. This is an entertainment app. Language translator. But language translator are not translators that translate Hindi language into English or English into Hindi. These are language translator. We include compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Social networking apps. So in this Facebook, Twitter, these are social networking websites. Next question is identify the correct application software out of a reservation system, attendance, payroll, billing, school inventory, accounting, management system. Okay, students, in restaurant order counter. In food order counter, we produce the bills. So billing system is required. Next is in a daily employee presence and absence record monitoring. So here attendance system required. Computation of salary of workers. So payroll system is required. Managing record of purchase and issue of items in school. So in this school, inventory control is required. Booking for air tickets. For this, we need reservation system. Then processing accounting transactions such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, journal and ledger. For this, there is accounting management system is required. So this is all about your question paper. Very easy question paper, but your performance is not up to the mark. Now I am going to revise your third chapter, that is your softwares, types of softwares. Okay, students, there are different you can say category of your softwares. These are two categories: system software and softwares. And system softwares, these are control the internal computer operations and make best use of hardwares. So these softwares are not used for your doing particular tasks. These are used for controlling the internal processing of your computer system. For example, your operating systems are there, your utilities are there, your language translators are there. So there are three types of system softwares. Number one, your operating system. Number two, language translator. Number three, utilities. Operating system. It is an interface between user and hardware devices. The purpose of your operating system is it is a bridge between user and hardware devices. Its work is to get the work done from computers, your hardware. So user give the commands, and rest of work is of operating system. So in operating system, examples are your DOS, MS-DOS, Unix, then Windows 7, Windows 10, Android, iOS, Mac. These are the examples of operating system. And remember one thing, major component of computer system are hardware, operating system, application programs, and humanware. Users are called humanware. Next is language translator. In language translator, it translates one language into another language. We know that there are three types of programming language: machine language or binary language, then assembly language. In this we would use mnemonic characters we use, and third one is high level language. Here your assembly and binary language, these are considered as low level language. So the language translator convert high level language into low level language, but in the case of assembler convert your assembly language into low level language. But interpreter and compiler convert your high level language into low level language. Compiler convert whole program at one go, but interpreter one line by line. Compiler is fast, interpreter is slow. Example of compiler is your C++. Example of interpreter is Python. Now utilities. These are very, very small programs, and these are used for increasing the performance, increasing the efficiency while you are using computer system. So these are very, very small programs. So in this we include disk, file, folder management softwares. Then we include antivirus softwares. Then language and encryption and decryption softwares. Then examples of these are, in the case of your disk, file, or folder management, we include Free, Commander, Explorer++, Pathfinder, Dictionary Oops. So these are the different disk, file, folder management software. In the case of antivirus software, we have Norton, McAfee, and Mikhail, AVG. These are different antivirus softwares. But in the case of encryption and decryption, these are used for you're converting your readable format of data to non-readable format and vice versa. When we convert the data, encrypt the data, this is called ciphertext. Ciphertext is non-readable data. And When we decrypt the data, ciphertext convert into normal data. So examples are of software's examples are LastPass, BitLocker, VidaCrypt, 7-zip semantic endpoint encryption. Now, there are application softwares. These softwares are used for doing a specific task. There are 3 types of application softwares: general purpose, then special purpose, and customized. In the case of general purpose, these are available for the group of users, large number of users. These are not according to the task particular requirement. So in this we include a word processor. In this example is WordPerfect, MS Word, Abby Word. These are the, and Word Star. I'm giving the 4 names of your word processor: Word Star, WordPerfect, MS Word, then Abby Word, and OpenOffice.org Writer. So I have given 5 names. Next is your electronic spreadsheet software. In this we include your Lotus 123, MS Excel. You will have to write full name: MS Excel, OpenOffice.org, Kelsey. Then in a word processor we also include Google Doc. Then in the case of spreadsheet software, QuadPro, Genomaniac, Google Docs. These are the examples of your spreadsheet software. In your book, Cassie and OpenOffice.org, Cassie are given in 2 different names are given there, but this is the common name: OpenOffice.org, Cassie. Presentation softwares. In this we include MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org, Impress. Then there are DBMS softwares. In this we include OpenOffice.org Base, MS Access, then Oracle, MySQL, MySQL, then MS SQL Server, MS Microsoft SQL Server. So DBase, these are the example of DBMS softwares. Now we come to the special purpose softwares. These softwares are for doing a specific task. These are not available for large number of users. User can get it from the vendor company, and little bit changes are required. For example, for accounting software, there is a different softwares are available. You can change the name of the company and the session you can change, but little bit changes you can apply. Examples are accounting management software, in which we do the accounting entries like ledger, account payable, account receivable, fixed asset, like this. Then reservation softwares, these are used for reservation, like movie tickets reservation or games reservation, game ticket reservations. Okay, and railway reservations are there. Then roadways ticket bookings are there. Then HR management software, in this will include attendance software, in which presence or absence of an employee is taken. Then payroll software, in this we calculate the total salary payable to employees. Next is inventory control. In this we calculate the number of units of a particular product received, how much issued, and the remaining in the stock. Then there is a billing system for generating bills or invoice. For example, we go to the any shop and buy something. In that case, we get a printed format of your bill. That bill is generated with the help of a billing system. Next is there are mobile applications. These applications are used for used in mobile phones. In this, we include utilities like alarm, notes, and entertainment apps like Netflix, Spotify. Okay, Then social networking website like Twitter, Instagram, like this. So games like Angry Birds. And last type of your softwares are customized software. These are called bespoke softwares. These type of software are received by the company or organization from the IT company. After making a payment, the IT company create that particular software for that user only. ये ओपन मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं होगा, जो भी यूजर इसको बनवाएगा वो उसको यूज कर सकता है. So these are called customized or bespoke softwares.
Sir, please again repeat the definition of customized softwares.
Beta, these softwares are created by IT company for a particular user. Okay?
Yes, sir.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं इसकी एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे आप किसी बैंक में जाओगे तो वो बैंक में जो कंप्यूटर में if they are using any software, to see that software you will find out that if you are go to the Punjab National Bank, you will see there is a software in which TCS company or Infosys company created that software. So that software are only for PNB. It means PNB can use that software, like SBI or any other company can't use that software. That software is created for only one user. So this type of software is called customized software. It means you get your work according to your requirement. These are also called tailor-made software because when you go to the tailor, you get the exact size. Okay, in the same way, in the case of your customized software, you get the software according to your requirement only.